growing Monstera plants can be a rewarding and enjoyable journey. Monstera deliciosa, commonly known as the Swiss cheese plant, is a popular choice among indoor plant enthusiasts due to its unique foliage and relatively low maintenance requirements. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you nurture healthy Monstera plants. 1. Choose the right location. Monstera plants thrive in bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid exposing them to direct sunlight, as it can scorch their leaves. Place your Monstera near a north or east facing window where it can receive filtered sunlight throughout the day. 2. Provide adequate drainage. Make sure your plant's pot has proper drainage holes to prevent water from accumulating at the bottom. Excess water can lead to root rot. 3. Select the right soil. Use a well-draining, high-quality potting mix that retains moisture without becoming waterlogged. You can also mix in some perlite or orchid bark to improve drainage. 4. Watering. Allow the top inch or two of the soil to dry out between waterings. Stick your finger into the soil to check the moisture level. Water thoroughly when the top layer feels dry, and ensure that excess water drains out of the pot. Overwatering can be more harmful than underwatering for Monstera plants. 5. Humidity. Monstera plants thrive in higher humidity levels, ideally around 60% or more. If your home's air is dry, you can increase humidity by misting the leaves, using a humidity tray, or placing a humidifier nearby. 6. Support and training. As Monstera plants grow, they develop aerial roots that help them cling to trees in their natural habitat. To encourage healthy growth, provide a support such as a moss pole or trellis for your plant to climb. Gently tie or train the stems to the support using soft plant ties or twine. 7. Pruning. Prune your Monstera to remove any yellowing or damaged leaves. Regular pruning can also help maintain a bushier, more attractive shape. If your plant becomes too large, you can trim it back to a desired size. 8. Fertilization. During the growing season, spring and summer, feed your Monstera with a balanced liquid fertilizer every 4-6 weeks. Reduce or stop fertilizing in the winter when the plant's growth slows down. 9. Repotting. Young Monstera plants may need to be repotted every year or two, while older plants can be repotted every 2-3 years. Repot into a slightly larger pot with fresh potting mix to provide the plant with more space to grow. 10. Pest control. Keep an eye out for common houseplant pests such as spider mites and mealybugs. Regularly inspect your Monstera's leaves, especially the undersides, and treat any infestations promptly. By following these steps and paying attention to your Monstera's needs, you can create a nurturing environment that promotes healthy growth and beautiful foliage. Remember that each plant is unique, so be observant and adjust your care routine as needed. Enjoy the journey of nurturing your Monstera plant.